Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Teral. I make 2 videos a week that are all about fashion, beauty, travel and lifestyle. So if that's the sort of things that you guys are interested in following, make sure you subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. Today I've got a new makeup look for you guys. I will be creating this eyeshadow. I think it's perfect for the next few months, like November and December coming up to Christmas. Really easy to do. I kind of just played around and found an eyeshadow look that works. It's quite a dramatic look, but it's still neutral. You can wear a lot of other colours with this as well, and that's what I like in my eyeshadows. And I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and I hope you guys do like following it. So here goes. If you guys want to see the look and how I create it, please keep watching. So I'm not even sure what I really want to do today. Let's lock those brows in place. I'm not even sure what kind of look I want to go for today, which is probably not the best idea, but I've got a load of new eyeshadow palettes from NARS, Pixie, some classic Morphe palettes that I absolutely love. I'm just going to open them all up and kind of go for... I definitely don't like that one. It's like purpley. I don't really think that's my shade. I don't really go for a purpley eye, although I might have to soon. So I want something nude, but not basic nude, because I feel like everyone knows how to do a nude eyeshadow now. I'm going to go in with the NARS Duo palettes in the colour, so it's Pour de Vent 2. It's that colour just there, and I'm just going to use a fluffy brush and just sweep it in the inner corners. Oh, I didn't even prime. Idiot. Second time around. I'm going to prime my eyes with the NARS Tinted Smudge Proof eyeshadow base. I've been using this a lot lately. I really like this. A little goes a long way as well. I just feel like it applies to the eyelids so creamily and smooth, and you can buff it out and the product stays all day long on. That's exactly what you want from an eyeshadow primer, right? I'm just gonna buff it in with my fingers, and the texture of this is really nice and creamy. It dries matte, but I always go on top with it with a little bit more powder. And then I'm going to take my powder from YSL and I'm just gonna buff that all over my eyeshadow. Gonna buff it all over my eyelids. Now I'm gonna go in with St. Paul de Vince number 2, second time around, and I'm just gonna pack that in the outer corner and bring it all the way in. And this is a really nice transitional shade, but it's also buildable, so you can use this as like a normal all over shade. And this little duo is what I've been using a lot lately for like my everyday makeup. So if you were looking for a new palette or something that you can just use really quickly, I really do recommend this. I really do like it. And no, this is not sponsored, but NARS have sent me all of these products to try out, and I absolutely love them. I think this is possibly my favourite one. Singapore palette as well is really nice. This one's actually sold out. Sorry if you guys didn't get a chance to get your hands on it, but do try it and see if it does come in stock. Maybe go on the waiting list or something, because it's a really nice palette, perfect for the upcoming festivities, which I'm so excited about. I'm sorry, it's November now, I can talk about it. I'm excited for Christmas. So I don't want it to be too dark, but I do want it to be different. Like, I don't want classic coppery eyeshadow or something that I always go for. But I think that's a nice kind of neutral. Then I'm going to go in with the Pixie It's Judy Time and the colour Honey Bear. Love that. And I'm going to get a more defined fluffy brush like this and do that in the inner corner. And I'm doing this quite lightly, to be honest. So I'm just literally putting that on the corner and just blending it out. And I think that looks really cute. I might go in for that red colour, to be honest, and do that all over from the Singapore palette. So I'm getting a normal brush. I'm just going to pack it slowly on here. And I'm just building the colour up just by patting it in. And then I'm going to go on to this eye and do the exact same thing. For the outer crease, I think I'm going to go with brown. I think that will kind of tie it all in. I'm going back with that more defined fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in with this one here, Tutu from the Judy Time one, and right on the outer corner and like a V. And I really like using blending brushes to create a look, because if you're going with a really defined brush, it's so much harder to blend it out. You have to go in again and like it just takes so much longer. So I like to go in with a blending brush, and that is like 2 in 1. This is lazy girl hacks. And yeah, you just blend it out slightly and then round. I'm just going to keep adding colour until I like it. Like, you can keep this really, really light, or you can go as dark as you like. I want something in between. And just blend, fluff it out. The red has kind of gone, so we're going to have to go back. Does anyone else mouth go when you're doing your eyeshadow? You want these 2 colours on the edge to blend out really, really nicely, so it just looks really, really seamless. I feel like we need to open this bit a little bit. I'm going to go in with this matte orange here, tiny bit up here, just to warm it up a little bit. Yeah, I really like that. Yeah, that's perfect. And then I'm going to get a small brush and go in with the pinky colour from this St. Paul Vence, this St. Paul Venice, whatever you call it, the pinky colour number 1, and put that in the inner corner. Inner corner, and brush it up slightly. And then I'm going to bring that up to my brow bone. Not as bright as a highlighter, but I think it's just such a pretty colour that I like to use it in a few different places. Now I'm going to go under my eye, and I'm going back with the defined fluffy brush, and I'm going to start by going in with the first colour we use as the transitional colour. I probably look so good right now. And I'm not bringing it too low, just around the eyeball. Like, you can kind of gauge it as you do it. And I always make sure I tie it into the crease, so it all connects. And then I'm going to go in with the red with the pencil brush, and just on the outer corners, and sweep it in. And again. Go back with the same transitional brush and blend it out. I'm pretty happy. I don't really use any eyeliner anymore. I just feel like it's a lot of work. I don't like eyeliner in my waterline, so I'm just going to add some mascara, because I kind of like that eyeshadow and just mascara look is so much easier. Using my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, which you guys know is my favourite, I'm just gonna add mascara. I've noticed since I've had LVL lashes, doing mascara from the top and then on the bottom just makes them look like wow. And then I'm going on to this side. And then tiny bit on the lower lashes. And there we go. That is my eyeshadow look finished. I'm just going to do like a little close up. This is way too close. So there we have it. That is my eyeshadow look. I think that will be great for the next few months. So coming up to Christmas and Christmas parties, you can do this during the day, and then you can just top it up for the evening time, add a bit more, add some eyeliner possibly, maybe a bit of glitter. But I think this is the perfect November to December eye look. I really enjoy doing this. Whenever I do my eyeshadow, it's always slightly different, because I like to mix it up and just kind of go with the flow and see what's working, what's not working for that particular day. And I think this look is really, really nice. It's really easy to create. Honestly, I have no makeup skills whatsoever. I've literally taught everything to myself. And if I can do it, anyone else can do it as well. All you have to do is just practice, 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 and it will all come to you, and it will be really, really easy. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys do like this eyeshadow look. If you have, don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.